How to open Citibank account online. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we will learn how we can open Citibank account online. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up a browser in your device and then head over to citi.com. After that, you will land on this kind of interface. Now to open an account on Citibank, head over to this option at the menu bar at the top that says open an account. Click on it. After that, scroll down a bit and here you have different types of account that you can create. So from your preferred choice, select one from here, whether you want to go for a checking account, saving account or certificates of deposit. After that, head over to open an account. Then go to open account. After that, you'll be prompted to this interface where you have to go through all of the steps here. That is personal information, ID verification, employment and income, online access, agreement, and transfer funds. So first of all, you have to provide your personal information such as your first name, your last name, date of birth, and your social security number. So provide all of this required information. Scroll down a bit and head over to continue. After that, on the next step, you'll be prompted for the ID verification. So make sure that you provide all of the information that is required for your ID verification. Third step, you'll be prompted to employment and income. So you have to provide all of your information regarding your employment and income. So make sure that you provide it as well. And on the fourth step, you'll be taken into the online access setup procedure where you may be prompted to create your online credential. Once you're done with that, on the fifth step, you have to accept the terms and agreements and at last transfer funds. So make sure that you follow all of these instructions carefully. After that, you will have an account on Citibank. So that's how you can open up Citibank account online, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.